Come with us on a magical adventure exploring Santa's winter wonderland. We try sledding, mushing, tobogganing, snow angel making, Christmas list writing, beanbag throwing, fluffy reindeer talking. But who is on the Santa's naughty or nice list? Hello, Ava. Hello, Lily. Hello, Louise.
Just make sure I have the tickets on my phone.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
She bring a coat. For God's sake. Don't cry. You can have my coat. Well, look, we're just going to see how cold.
Lily,
Let's not talk
warm
about
now.
What's
What's happened?
happened?
I don't know. Lily. There we go. We're here now.
Okay. You have to wait. No, I was on my own. Okay, ready. Stay there.
Ho ho!
Right, you know how I make that much it explodes like a watermelon. Right, ready? Very wet.
Oh!
Can I sit on it? Yes! This isn't fair. A bit big now for them. I'm on the wrong way.
You're on the wrong way! Lily!
Wait, should I do this instead?
Yeah, that might be easier. Go on, your turn. Dare ya. Double dare ya. Hold it. Hold it. Lily, help.
Let's go.
Running.
That's what you shouldn't do, Taylor.
Go.
Go!
An hour left.
Wait, you're there. Oh God, Billy!
Did you have a nice time out on the snow? Can't hear you.
Hello, mate. Hello. You're a very fluffy reindeer. Hello. Come on. Come on. Come give you a little cuddle. Got a hummed alpacas. Fluffy farts now.
Milo in here.
I'm like the biggest one on here. Are you too big?
You got heels on.
Oh!
That way.
No way you want to do it.
Oh, please. That's wrong.
She wants one more go. Go on then.
Naughty again. I'll get a good swing.
That should have been bar humbug.
Humbug. Naughty, 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 naughty. Ah, you're the only naughty one. Find it.
He's not behind it.
You haven't even got one. Look, come in.
There you go. Come on. What are you? Got one. Baby, can't fit in. Just try it. No, I'm too scared. There you go. Okay, ready? It's so tall. Yeah, a bit of both.
You gotta say the rhyme.
Fly, fly, don't play. Deep Santa on his sleigh. This one I was like, wishes sparkle, wishes true. Santa's magic comes to you. Fly, fly, don't delay. This one. Zoom, Santa on his sleigh. Zoom your arms forward. Wishes sparkle, wishes true. Wishes sparkle, wishes true. Santa's magic comes to you. Quick, post it, go!
Go post it.
One tiny bird.
Little stamps and rainbow hats. Santa will smile.
Here we go. Lil, you can't look at that's a camera.
Yeah, she's a pro. She's practicing. I would do that when I was there. I want to
Oh.
start practicing.
Hello, Bauble. Guys, there we go. We are done. That's the snow dome done. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. We've got some tired children. So tired, so tired. Guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.